Hey guys, Rick Strauss here at SEMA 2025 on the Air Design USA booth. We're here to take a look at the new Tiguan R-Line, restyled with a simple, clean Euro-style restyling package from Air Design. I'll walk you through the package. Essentially, on the front end, we have a two-piece lower rear lip spoiler in glossy black and an upper silver accent bar. On the sides, we've got body side molding, both eye-catching but also functional to protect from door dings and shrapnel. Here we are on the back side. We've got a small lip spoiler gurney flap integrated at the top of the roof spoiler, rear bumper protector in glossy black, and a rear diffuser down low. Inside, we've also got a custom cargo tray that ties in with some of the factory DNA elements. Just for fun, we've also built a special edition plaque. So this is one of 500, but that just adds an element of exclusivity. We put a badge on the back of the outside. Actually, you can place it anywhere, but on the outside of the vehicle, also inside, to designate that that is an authentic, genuine, limited edition version of the Tiguan.
If you enjoyed this content, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. All our accessories are available on our website,